Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have studied the examples on exercise 6.3. Let us continue the same and we'll solve problems from 7 to 11. So, chapter 6 it is triangles and exercise 6.3 is based on the criteria SAS, SSS and AAA criteria. So let us consider example 7 of NCERT textbook. That is, in this question, it is given that in figure altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P such that P, okay, then show that first one we have to show triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Second one is triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Third one is triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADP. Fourth is triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Okay, so here given that ABC is a triangle, AD and CE are the altitudes. AD is an altitude which is drawn from the vertex A to CB. It is a perpendicular drawn to CB from the vertex A. Similarly, CE is the another altitude. They both intersect at the point P. It is given. Then what we have to show? We have to show first one. Let us consider solution here. First, what we have to prove? Triangle AEP. AEP. This triangle is similar to triangle CDP. This triangle. Okay. This one and this one are similar. We have to prove. So we have three criteria: SSS, AAA, and SAS. Here, just observe the figure. Here we don't have any measurement of the sides of a triangle. So we have to think about AAA criteria only. Here, if you prove any two angles of these two triangles are equal, then with AA criteria, easily we can say these two triangles are similar. So here, triangle AEP, this is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Angle CDP, this is 90 degree. Okay. So one angle is 90 degree. Next, AEP, then CDP. These two are equal or not? They are vertically opposite angles. So definitely third angle will be equal anyhow. So just we have to show only two angles are equal. Then the triangles are similar. So we'll write like this: in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle APE is equal to angle CPD because they are vertically opposite angles. Next one, that is 90 degree angle. Angle AEP is equal to angle CDP is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by AA criteria of similarity of triangles, we can write triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Pause the video and write on this one. Next, second one. Second one is, just a minute. I'll erase this, otherwise it will be confusing. Okay, so second one, I'll write. Okay, second one, ABD, this triangle is similar to triangle CBE. Okay, here ABE, second one, triangle ABD and triangle CBE. ABD, this angle, CBE, again this angle will come now. So this angle is common to both. We'll write it. Angle ABD is same as angle CBE. That is common angle. Common angle. Next, anyhow one angle is 90 degree in both ABD. This angle is 90 degree, and CBE, this angle is 90 degree. So we'll write that angle ADB is equal to angle CEB is equal to 90 degree. Again, by same you have to write by AA criteria of similarity of triangles, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Next, similarly, third one. Okay, we'll take third one now. Third proof. Okay. Third one. How will you prove? Triangle AEP, triangle AEP and triangle ADP. AEP, B it is, not B, ADB. So ADB, this triangle, AEP, ADB. Okay, again in AEP, this is 90 degree. ADB, this is ADB. ADB, this is 90 degree. So we'll write angle AEP is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Next, see here, AEP, this angle will come. ADB, again ADB, again this angle will come. So angle AEDE DAB is equal to angle PAE is common angle. Common angle. DAB means this angle. PAE means again this angle. So by AA criteria of similarity of triangles, we can write triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Next one, fourth one we'll take, last one, again it is same, triangle PDC is and triangle BEC. PDC means this triangle, BEC means this whole triangle. So can you tell me again in PDC 190 degree hai and BEC another 190 degree. So I'll write that angle PDC is equal to angle BEC is equal to 90 degree. Let us check C. PDC, this angle, BEC again this angle. So angle PCB D is equal to angle BCE. This is common. So again by AA criteria, we can write triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So this example is very easy, and here just you have to observe the angles. Don't go for any sides, because sides proportionality we can't prove, because here it is not given when whether it is a equilateral triangle or equiangular triangle, isosceles triangle. They have not mentioned anything. In such cases, you cannot apply SAS or SSS criteria. Next example, example 8. So here, this example is important. It is asked in 2008. Here, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, so here first we'll draw the figure. What is given here? One parallelogram ABCD is there. So let us draw one parallelogram. You know parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. It is a quadrilateral. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D. Okay, E is a point on the side AD produced, means we have to produce AD, and E is one point on that, and BE intersects CD, this side, at F. So join BE, join BE. I'll draw it again neatly. So here one parallelogram is there. Okay, it is produced and these two are joined, right? So now it is clear. This is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this will be F, at F, CD at F. Show that triangle ABE, this triangle is similar to triangle CFB, this triangle, and ABE, this triangle we have to prove similar. So what is given here? Given ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So once it is parallelogram, then definitely BC is parallel to AD and AB is parallel to CD, and even opposite angles are equal. That idea you should have. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay, and BE is joined and CD, F intersects at CD. Okay, so what we have to prove? To prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, proof. In this one, just you try to make two angles equal. Try to show two angles equal. How will you show two angles are equal? See here, always whenever parallel lines are there, think of alternate angles or corresponding angles. Okay, so here BC is parallel to AD, right? Then definitely this angle is equal to this one. Alternate angles. Okay, and this is ABCD is a parallelogram, then this angle is equal to this one. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So if you write these two, then definitely these two ABE and ACFB are similar. So in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle BAE is equal to angle BC angle, one minute, angle ABE, and we have taken CFB. Okay, BCF, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Parallelogram are equal. Okay, next. So next one more, angle CBF is equal to angle AEB, because alternate angles, and no need to write on that. BC is alternate angles, BC is parallel to CD. By AA criteria of similarity of triangles, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, so this is very simple. Always observe two angles to be equal. Then next example, that is 9th one. In figure, ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles, ABC and BAMP, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that first one, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Second one, CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Okay, so what is given here? Given is ABC and AMP are right angle triangles, and angle ABC is 90 degree, angle AMP is 90 degree. Solution. Directly we'll take proof. So first, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. One easily can tell one angle is 90 degree. So we'll write this, that in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP is equal to 90 degree. One more angle we have to write. See here, ABC, this angle, AMP, again this angle. So angle A is common, angle A is common. So by AA criteria, I will not write all the things. AA criteria, we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. This is first one. So second one, how will you prove second one? Second one is CA by PA. CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Okay, these two are similar, means definitely the ratio of the sides are proportional, as ABC and triangle AMP. Triangle ABC and triangle AMP are similar. Therefore, AB, CA, this one we want CA, order, see the order. CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. BC by MP. Hence the proof. Next example, that is 10th example. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGH, such that D and H lie on sides AB and AE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. So here two triangles are there. First, let us draw the two triangles. One is A, right. Then other one is, okay. So this is A, B, C, other one E, F, G, okay. CD and GH and bisectors of ACB, this angle, and GEGH. So here this is C, D, and here it is, okay. So it is C, D, G, H. And here angles, let this be angle 1. I'll take this as 2, and this one as 3, and this one as 4. So as CD is a bisector of angle ACB, then angle 1 is equal to angle 2, remember. And here angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Bisector means it bisects or it divides the angle into two equal parts. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay, this is given. Next, what we have to prove? If, one more is given. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, it is also given one important thing, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Okay. So here in this problem, first one, CD by GH. Okay, CD by GH, AC by FG, AC by FG. To prove this, if you prove triangle ADC is similar to FHG, then easily we can write down this. But that is given in third one. That is given in third one. So we'll change the order in solving this example. First, I'll solve third one. Then with that easily we can write the first one. Okay. So in triangle DCA and triangle HCF, DCA and HGF, HGF. This is also HGF. This is also HGF. Okay. In this one, can you tell me any two angles are equal? Can you tell me? See here, this is given. Angle ABC is similar to angle FEG. With this, we can write angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle G. It is given. It is given. Then definitely respective corresponding angles are equal. Here also DCA and HGF. Here definitely angle A is equal to angle F. We'll get this. Angle A is equal to angle F. Then, so angle A is equal to angle F, because you can write given triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Then angle C is equal to angle G also. It is also given. Angle C is equal to angle G. Now I'll take half of this. Half angle C is equal to half angle G. What is half angle C? It is 2. So angle 2 is equal to half angle G is angle 4. What we have proved now? One is angle A is equal to angle F. Other one, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Okay. By AA criteria, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Okay. So when these two are similar, then we can write what? DC. CD we want. So DC by respectively here HG is equal to AC by FG. AC by FG. It is first one. So first in this example, to prove this also you have to prove this only. Similarity. Two triangles are similar. Directly you cannot write this. So I have taken third one first. Third one is proved, and with that easily we can write first one. Now we'll take second one. Second proof. So here place is little bit less. So in this one we have to adjust. So second one, triangle DCB is and triangle HGE. Triangle HGE. So DCB HGE. Again angle B is equal to angle E. It is given, and angle C is equal to angle G, similar to first one it is. So I'll take half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So C is equal to G and angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So by AA criteria, again two triangles, that is triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGF. HGE. So in geometrical problems like triangles, circles, or whatever it is, you have to watch the video one or two or three times. Then only you'll understand the proof. Next one, that is 11th example. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle. So here we have given isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is isosceles triangle. Let me make the correction here. This is C. This is C and this one is D. ABC is isosceles triangle. It is given. Given ABC isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is isosceles. What is isosceles triangle? AB, two sides are equal. So this implies AB, and it is given also. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to, not implies, it is given. Right. AD perpendicular to BC. It is also given. AD perpendicular to BC. And EF. EF perpendicular to AC. What we have to prove? Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. In your textbook only this one is given. I have added this because this is asked in CBSE 2010. Right. So first one, in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. Yes. ABD. First, let me tell you, AB is equal to AC is given. Then definitely, you know this theorem. Opposite angles of two opposite sides are equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Before that, before writing this, just in the given itself it will come. I'll write this also. That is, since AB is equal to AC, since AB is equal to AC, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. This is also one important information we'll get. Okay, now I'll take proof. In proof, triangle ABD and triangle ECF. ABD, ECF. Then definitely one is angle ABC is equal to angle ACB from 1. Then ABD, one angle is 90 degree. ECF, one angle is 90 degree. So angle ADB is equal to angle EFC is equal to 90 degree. So by AA criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. So by AA criteria, we can write of similarity, criteria of similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Next, second part is there. So we have proved this, that is triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. So with this we can write AB by EC is equal to AD by EF. Okay, AD by EF, or AB into EF is equal to AD into EC. So how I have taken this? By using the proportionality. AB, EC. In that order only you have to take AD, EF. Okay. So hence the proof. So these are all about the examples from 7 to 11. In the next coming video, we'll solve examples from 12 to 16. That will be completion of exercise 6.3 on triangles. Thank you.